Yeah, those are
Woo!
holy shit. Holy.
There you go. Touch the stop sign and come back.
Go. Holy crap.
I heard this hitting the roof. I thought someone was like, oh,
Everyone's running. Someone's driving.
Windshields, where we're going, we don't need windshields. Let's take a look at that.
it's pretty small on that dude. I don't look like it broke on impact. I don't think we're in Kansas anymore.
How you doing it? Yo, I'm so glad to be out of here. You get here with hail. You want to report?
As long as the wind doesn't change directions.
Those cars are getting pounded.
Oh man, my windshield's cracked loose.
Holy shit.
Did I have any drinks? I brought the ice.
Look at everything that came off that tree.
The grass is like turning white over there.
Really? You brought the vodka, right?
On the rocks?
Yeah. Or no,
On the
On the golf ball sized hill.
we wiped that corner out. There is no more East Hill. I think he.
There's a full one there.
Oh my god.
No, I just went out and got some.
Yeah, I got this guy like jammed in my face.
Oh
yeah,
my
'cause
god!
I had to run from campus center to here.
It turns rain.
Insane. My car is fucked. Yeah, and my bike's out there.
still falling?
Well, the thing formerly known as your bike.
And it's not as bad as a second ago, but it's still definitely coming down.
Awesome.
How could he not have this in his weather report at all today?
Wait, he didn't even mention this?
No rain in forecast next 5 days.
Yeah, this was like
ICT weather.
What's going to be fun is tomorrow the Whalers concert is actually going to be whaling. I need to send a snarky tweet about this. Someone write me a snarky
Case
tweet.
manager's here.